Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako po si Brian Lisa Mendoza at ito po ang ating daily devotion ngayong araw, February 7, 2025. Ngayong araw po natin tutuloy ang ating series missions sa seminary mission. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about Calvinism. So ano ang pinakamalalaking harap sa buhay? Now, ang ating talata po ay magagana sa Genesis chapter 6 verse 5. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po, "The Lord saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth, and that every intention of all the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually." Ngayon, upang ating mas maunawaan kung ano ang nasaan sa pinagdaan natin today at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo nilaman sa ating mga teachings. So, muna po, sabi po dito, basahin ko po, "The total depravity of man." So, this means that the sin has affected every part of us. So no matter how hard we try, we can be perfect on our own. So it means that we all struggle with sin, and that's why kailangan natin ng grace ng ating Diyos with our everyday lives. Kaya po, the sovereignty of God. So God is in control. He sees the big pictures, and nothing happens outside of His plan. So even when we feel like yung buhay natin is chaotic, we can trust that He is working things out for our good. Katlo po, the highest goal of humanity is to glorify Him. So at the end of the day po, yung purpose natin isn't just about chasing success, money, or happiness, but our true purpose in life is to glorify God in everything we do. So through our words, through our actions, or even our thoughts. So paano pa natin ma-apply ang mga teachings na ito sa ating mga buhay? Ngayon po tayo kumilako sa ating application. So una po, be cautious of your tendency to do evil. So since sin is a reality in our lives, we need to stay aware of it. So yung temptation po nasa paligid yan palagi, but when we rely on God, tutulungan niya po niya tayo na overcome ito. Ikalawa, trust God's sovereignty to save and keep us. Yung buhay pa natin, it is full of uncertainties, but God's plan is always better than ours. So kahit go in times of difficulties, we can rest assured that God is in control of our lives. And last but not least, pursue the glory of God as your highest goal. So ano man ang iyong gawin, ano man ang ginagawa mo sa work, or sa school, or even sa relationship, do it with the intention of honoring God. Dapat